Hey guys, just a quick update. I wanted to jump into the whole process of a game jam, just talk about, how things went and what I could have done better. This was a really exciting um, you know, project to work on because you only have a week and it's a random theme and it's exciting, man. So I just wanted to talk, expand a little bit of what I learned and, what got done. Yeah, learning this project was great fun, man. Me and my other guy, we thought of an idea, got that idea to work, and brought a real good game together. I was a real big fan of the finished project. Um, it's a bit buggy at first. You can see through, this recording. This was like the early development through Unity. So yeah, and I wanted to just run through a few of the scripts that I used to make the game. And, before I get into showing off the scripts, I just wanted to say that, I'm still new to this, so the code might not be exceptional for you, big developers, but, it was an enjoyable process. I wanted to keep this video just chill, just light, keep it on the positive side. So if you do see something that you don't like, you know what, just point it out in the comments. Tell me where I could have gone better. I do want to learn, and this is a great learning experience. Alright, so I want to just jump straight in. So this is what we got here. This is the game manager script. Using, all these variables and stuff I've got listed down there. So I've used a public enum color type to identify the color of the text. So, the player can input it, keep part of the challenge. There's the update, using, the timer for the hours, because you got to work 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Or 7 p.m. I've done the lives there. And then I've done the spawner for the customer itself, because it's the game manager, so it kind of handles everything within the entire game itself. I've done the reset script to kind of delete everything and every time a customer comes, so nothing gets, affected. I've done the get script, which is basically a for loop to get the array of words and turn them into shapes, and the other way around. And I've done a if statement there to pick a random color through the public enum. Alright, moving on, we have the camera mover script. I didn't do ray casting this time around. I probably should have, but I used a box collider and like a trigger, so I could tell what I was colliding with. It was a bit hard, a bit silly to do that, but there's the on trigger enters, on trigger exits. Yeah, nah, not the smartest decision. But we'll move on. We'll get better with it. And then I think last thing but not least, we have the custom mechanics script that will come up in a second. Yeah, so here's a script. I used the the find game object with tag, because these customers were spawning in, so they couldn't reference anything, so I had to use the tag. I used the nav mesh agent to make them walk to the counter and walk to the exit. Once they actually reach the counter, as you see, they select random dialog, which picks a random value, calls a function which uses a case statement and picks a random dialog there. I'll scroll down in a sec and show you there's a case statement. You switch case, so the random integer corresponds with the text, and then it calls a numerator show text, which is a for loop to get that typewriter effect you see in those PSX horror games, which I've developed a few in the past. If you guys want to check it out, it's in the description below. That's about it. A few other public methods that I could go through if you guys want a deeper dive throughout, but yeah, that's about it for the scripts. Yeah, I mean, that was about it. Here's some more finished footage. You can see the outside environment within the game. There's the the help for the game itself. Yeah, so there's some gameplay of the game. It gives you text, you decode it through the chart with the color of the text. Then you go back to the register, input it, and then at the end of the input, you click the color of the text. So here's some footage demonstrating that now. Color was blue, I was just double checking. And then it makes some medicine. You pick it up, go over, and give it to the player. And that's basically the basis of the game, right? Keep it simple, we didn't want to go crazy or anything. As you can see, I was clipping through the floor, but I fixed that on later. But we didn't want to go, too in depth. So it was a good, enjoyable fun. Just want to update you guys, and yeah, hope you have a good one. Bye bye.